Okay.
What are we doing today?
So, this is the Bourbon Lodge truck. We've had her since 2011, and her battery is not reliable anymore, so we're going to give her a new battery.
And for the viewers at home, do you want to explain why you're doing it the way you're doing it, so that people can benefit from your experience?
So, I'm taking this one off first, so that we won't have any spark electronic action. It's taking forever.
And when you say you're taking that one off first, what is that one?
I don't know.
Okay, it's the negative post.
I didn't want to be wrong, so I didn't say anything.
Okay. Well, then you would not be wrong.
Okay. Or negative. So, taking this one off first, then we're going to take the other one, and hopefully it won't start raining in between. And then we're going to put in the new one.
Okay.
And
It's going to require maybe a little bit of grunt.
yeah, doesn't
I'm
seem
sure
to
it's
be-
loose enough.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to give it up the last little bit.
Well, it's been clamped together for 5 years or so.
Yeah, but she hasn't given me any trouble at all. So giving her a new battery is just not a big deal.
Say that again. Given the new battery is what?
I said she's been a good truck, so giving her a new battery is just not a big deal.
Okay, I can see from here that you can definitely stop. But yeah, that's going to come right off. It's plenty loose,
Okay.
so try to grasp it from here and straight up.
Oh, I didn't think I could touch it like that.
Oh, sure. Not going to hurt you a bit.
Okay, now I can go for that one.
Absolutely.
We had trouble getting this off the other night. He had to take out a pair of pliers and pull it off.
That would be because I put it on there the correct way after I jump started the other fella. That one, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
So we had the. I couldn't start the truck, so I had the AAA guy come out, and he gave me a jump to get me home. But the way the car was purpose sounding, it's not something I want to wait around and find out. I'd rather just replace it and make sure it's okay.
I didn't get you the ratchets this time around because it would take longer to find the correct one. You would probably leave this one intact.
Oh, okay. Just
Maybe.
seemed like it was.
Nope, that's tightening. There you go. Now that clamp is even tighter. There you go.
Yeah, I'm just getting more.
No,
the
that's
screw of
way
that.
more than you need.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
It's not budging.
Okay.
Probably because it's all corroded.
A little bit of corrosion, and that's also a thicker clamp.
Jeez. Okay, suggestions?
Well,
Beat it with a stick.
no, it's way too soon for this project. You move your hand for a moment. Let me have a better look. Well, do the same as you did on this one. You want to make sure this is disconnected out of the way. But try to lift that straight up and twist like that.
There it goes. Jeez. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same with this one. Get that set way the hell aside. That's good. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That can go wherever it wants to go. Go ahead and loosen that. I didn't get you any ratchets because it would take me longer to find the metric ratchets than it would to just do it the way you're doing it.
Okay. gonna be faster.
Yep.
Doesn't want to fit. Nope, still won't let me do it by hand.
Yeah, that's got some extra glue on the threads, so you might be doing that for a while. And I'm almost certain I don't have any deep socket metrics.
Feels loose.
Okay. If you follow that and look downward, it might end in a hook.
Yep, cut that off. Is there one on this side too, or no?
That I don't know.
Ah. Clever. Jeez.
Okay, will this swivel out of the way now? Maybe like that. Okay, yank that bad boy out of there.
I don't think I can get him one-handed, one-armed, but
Okay.
but he's loose enough and ready for.
There's a balance there. If you drive that in too deep, it's going to be really hard to turn.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you don't drive it in there deep enough,
They don't get anywhere.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I can kind of feel it, not
Right.
catch. Feel it with my thumb. I don't know.
Well, it's far better than it was.
Yeah.
Probably not good enough for the professional, but we're not professionals.
Right. And
So-
before it rains again.
Before it rains again. So how about if you jump off of there and then do the same thing but different over here on your battery.
Like these guys.
Yeah, and these are marked positive and negative.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Because in batteries, that one just will rotate around. Yeah. With batteries, there's going to be a small post and a large post. That's why that's marked as it is.
Okay.
If you twist that on the way up,
Yeah.
it'd be easier.
Yeah. I thought I did twist it. But,
Let's have a look. Let's make sure. Because I can see some dark spots
oh,
on this one.
seems like you're shaving it.
Mm-hmm. Yep, taking off the first layer or two.
Mm-hmm.
Making it shiny. And let's hit this one more time too. Yep, you want to clean off those lead shavings.
Just don't want to get the engine and get it all mucked up.
Hmm.
Don't want to get it all in the engine. Ugh.
Right.
Oops, sorry.
I should do. And those are just throwaways.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead and toss it in there.
Flashlight would be good right now.
This battery might be a little taller than the last one.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, there it goes.
Watch your fingers. Okay.
Okay, got that guy in there.
Good. Oop.
Nope.
You lost it. You had it, then you lost it. So
Story of my life.
pull up with your left. There you go.
It's like an awkward spot.
This is going to have to be trimmed down in editing, because this couldn't possibly be interesting.
No. Put it on fast forward.
Yeah.
It's fun. No. I think that's fairly
Okay.
tight enough.
Give the battery itself a good rattle and try to knock it around a bit. Oh, that looks pretty good. I think I would give it just a little bit more.
Okay.
That might do.
Okay. Doesn't seem like it's going anywhere.
Yep, I'd call that done. Okay, so there you go. That's next.
Okay. And I'm doing this one first
Yes.
because it's the safest.
Yes.
Okay. That's all I need to know. Because it's
First on, first off.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. I buggered that up, didn't I?
A little bit.
That's second one off, first one on.
Okay. Second one off, first one on. And we're actually getting sunshine, which is amazing. It's like I knew. Okay. I think that's. How tight do you want that to be?
That's
pretty,
about
pretty
yeah.
darn snug.
Pretty
or,
darn snug.
Or like surgical tight.
No. That's probably good enough.
Okay.
And look at that right there.
Right, they're
Any more
connected?
wrenching is not going to do any good.
Oh, okay.
You're just going to
Good call.
stress this bolt, and
I don't want to do that. Get this guy back up here. It's a little on the filthy side, but it's done. There.
yeah,
Yeah, I'd call that done.
very good.
Okay, now the
Okay,
big
so
one.
but you have nothing to worry about. If you drop the wrench
Yeah.
or what have you and strike the frame,
Right.
it's not going to cause any damage.
Okay, but the other way it would.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Then I want
say that again.
If I put this on first, if I attached this first and then that, I would have trouble if I touched metal to something.
From here, yes.
Right.
So just to be a little bit more clear,
Yeah.
I'd recommend calling these by name.
Okay.
Negative post
Yeah.
or negative terminal
Yeah.
and the positive.
Okay.
So
When you're putting in a new battery, put the positive on first, then the negative,
yes.
so that you don't get it uncomfortable. Still makes me nervous.
No need to be nervous.
This would be easier to do without gloves. They're slippery.
Right. Try the other end of the wrench. Yep.
Ah, okay.
I think this is the theory that I have that is mine.
Yes.
When you use that end, you've got an open bolt like that,
Yeah.
easy accessible bolt like that. You're not committing to hitting one of those 6 sides. Now you've got 12 different slots on the box end of the wrench. So it should be easier to slip on, slip off instead of aligning the open end
Right.
perfectly every time. Oh, look at you. Looking all professional.
So you talk about it, then I can't do it. I have to not think about it.
That's also the miracle of YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, because after you post this, it's not just me that's going to be looking at this.
No pressure.
There will be millions and millions of viewers.
Aside from our usual millions of viewers.
Yes.
Okay, that's getting snug.
Okay. So try to twist the terminal and see, or twist that. Yeah, give it a good. You're in good shape.
Well, and it's connected a little bit there, right?
Yeah. So I think the only thing that's left to do now is get the key and start it up. Make sure it starts.
I didn't grab the key, did you?
No.
Okay, I'll go in the house.
That would be the smart thing to do.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if you did it. Wow. I didn't like the sound of that.
But you want to make sure and get all the battery crud out of your tools so that when you go back later to use them, they're not rusted and horrible.
The reason that was on the battery terminal can transfer to the wrenches. And I've seen it happen, and it's gross and it's disappointing, and depending on the wrench, it could ruin it completely.
And, you know, that's the way Pop taught us. Gotta do what Pop says. So I think we got all the battery crud off the wrench.
And I think we're done. If things go sour and we have to redo this, we'll pick up the video about here.
Okay.